Hey there, kids. Welcome to Happy Kiddo. Let's begin today's video.
Welcome, dear friends, to our Jammies delight. A holiday tale that's a little not right. 'Tis the season once again, so here's our holiday news. This year we're honest, no filters, no ruse. The tree leans to the left, and the cat drew the lights. We shopped all online, but our gifts missed their flights. Our holiday card is a screenshot of Zoom, 'cause the living room looks like a laundry-filled tomb. The kids keep on fighting for cookies and snacks. One licked it already, no way we give it back. We spent half the budget on burgers and fries, and Dad's still in sweatpants, yep, no surprise. From our messy, imperfect, ridiculous tone, we wish you joy in your holiday home. So from our pajamas to your happy home, Merry Christmas to all, now leave us alone.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Do not forget to give this video a like and to subscribe to the channel so you will be notified when new videos are published. And be sure to check out our other videos.